Hello people, what's up? How are you guys doing in this current lockdown that we are having in Malaysia? I hope you guys are staying safe and staying sane during this hard time. So recently one of my friends, he shared me this one video. I thought it's super creative, and as coincidence I also have one mirror which I feel now is sitting there quite dull in a way. I thought of doing slight improvisation on this project. So what I'm going to need is this big chopstick here. I think this one is 45 cm. And then to complement the design, I'm also going to use a smaller chopsticks here. And of course the round mirror I've mentioned earlier. So I'm going to exclude this one from the overall cost later. But I think this one is around 10 to 15 ringgit. And then also I'm going to use some of these glass marbles here. So for the finishing, I still have some leftovers from previous project. But I bought a chrome painting here. I don't know, this is my first time using this one, but fingers crossed, I hope this one sticks well. Alright, let's begin. First, I'll be removing the mirror hanger and covering the face with a masking tape. For a proper geometry, I would mark X behind the mirror. To start sticking the big chopstick and alternating it with a small one. So same goes for the spray. I'm also alternating the color between each sticks. Next is to separate the marbles into two groups, one for black and the other one for chrome. Once they are dry, stick them to the tip of each chopsticks. And finally to stick the remaining at the edge of the mirror. Alright, so now that the project is done, I'm just gonna go straight to the review of this project. So for this time round, moving forward, I'm just gonna change the format a little bit, especially on the first three criteria: the time, cost, and the technicality. So I used to have it backwards, where I put a lower star on the easier part, but I think I'm going to change it. So the higher the star, the easier or the better the project is. So for the time, the overall time consumed is 1 hour and 34 minutes, 1.5 hours. So for the time, I'm going to give it a 5 star. It didn't take too much time to complete this project. It was easy enough. Okay, for the cost, I've spent in total 28 ringgit and 65 cents. You can check the breakdown here. I'm just gonna give it a 3 star because even without the mirror and without the black spray paint, it still cost me this much. So it's kinda not too high but not too low as well as how I expect it to be. So for the technicality, I'm just gonna give it a 3 star. Mainly the reason coming from my side because, wrong selection of material. I should have not gone for glass marbles because it's kind of heavy, so it doesn't stick well using a hot glue gun. I could have chosen a plastic beads instead of the glass marble, to make my life easier while completing this project. So for the satisfaction, I'm gonna give it a 4 star because one of the reason is because it changed a dull mirror into something else, I would say. So I feel it looks really good on the wall, as how you can see in the snip earlier. And the last one, I feel I have never seen anything like this before. Correct me if I'm wrong. I feel this is one of a kind and it has my unique touch on it. But yeah, I did it myself and I'm quite satisfied with it. So 4 star for the satisfaction. So that's it, guys, for this week's video. Thank you so much, Shami, for sharing that video that inspires this project. If you find any DIY project which you feel you want me to try out and to give my honest review on that, feel free to share it with me. And again, don't forget to click like, comment, share and subscribe on my channel and on my video, especially if you enjoy the content, what I'm trying to bring forward here. Until next time. Ciao.